Just another summer Monday. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, July the 26th, and just another summer Monday as we have it. It's been fairly wild trade on very thin and light volume, but again, that is what you expect at this time of year. You got the Dow is now down 100 after being up almost 50 or 60 and down 200, and NASDAQ is on both sides of unchanged. The only active market today is the Russell, which we are short. We're long the other three. And again, this is the kind of action that you expect, which is why we always recommend, patience and stepping aside. In fact, we just finished our day trading for the morning, and mediocre day, missed a couple of good trades. We didn't miss them, chose not to take them because there's not enough action. And we still got a couple open, but we'll see how it ends up taking care of itself. In the meantime, gold, after being higher, is now lower on the day. Silver is slightly higher, and platinum is higher. We would be short platinum, but we don't trade anymore because it's not liquid. Gold and silver, we remain short. Okay. The dollar is under some pressure today, which makes sense, right? You're getting, a dead cat bounce in the euro currency, or you're getting, some sellers coming in to say, hey, everything's okay. We'll see. It doesn't matter. We're still long. Crude is now down, and again, it has been dramatically on both sides of the market, and now is lower once again. Got a pretty big range, about $3 today. Nat gas is higher again, okay, and copper, which we're still long, and we're still long dollars, and we're still long crude. Copper, which we're short, you can vote. It is parabolic. This looks like a rip your face off short squeeze in copper. Now, whatever it is, but it is ugly, and it is breaking the upside, as it kind of indicated potentially on Friday. It didn't break far enough for us to reverse, so we're still short. Bonds and notes are now higher again. They were lower. They've been pretty sloppy with a pretty big range there as well. Again, it's just, this is the summer, and that's why we warn about summer trade. Okay, it's not summer loving, it's summer trading. And as we look at the grain markets, they're all coming back a little bit, but they're still lower. Corn down 6, beans down 6, and wheat down 11. But they were worse, so they have actually come back a little bit. And the meats, or the protein complex, feeder cattle up almost $2.50. We're long. Fat cattle up about $1.50. We're short. And hogs, which we just reversed along, is flat. Okay. And in the softs, you've got cotton down about 7. And actually, I apologize, for December down 38, but was much lower and has made a dramatic comeback. Coffee explodes once again. Unbelievable. Obviously, weather in Brazil. Sugar is starting to pop, and it's making new highs. We're still long. We're long all three of those. Cocoa is having a big up move. We're short. And OJ is flat, and we're long. And what can I tell you? And Bitcoin is up huge today. Not a surprise. The real action will be determined over the next couple of days after we see how it reacts to this rally. But at the end of the day, it's a great time to be careful, cautious, and guard your money, because that is your inventory. In the meantime, this is as our updates are always brought to you by. We've got a couple of brokers, and again, just to be fully disclosure, I have other brokers, but my preference for futures and commodities is the CTG Group, or Capital Trading. And again, look, I'm looking for a service for my members, the best customer service I can get, and that is through CTG. They handle all my accounts and trade for me off of my signals. They've got some great managed futures products. You want information, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, our equities and option broker, Tradier. Okay, and again, it's $10 a month is the only thing I really should say. But we've also got their APIs, which allows us to automate your equity portfolios at no cost to you if you choose. You get the signals either way, and you can trade them wherever you want. But if you want the opportunity for automation, then it's through Tradier and Family Farms, which I will be headed to in a couple of hours, and I can't wait to get there. It'll be a great event and a lot of fun. And I'll be speaking there tomorrow, but of course we have the same interest, which is to help our farmers Our commodity report written by Andy Heck, Technimental, and as I tell you every day, if you're in the commodity space and you're not reading Technimental, go see a doctor because you're making a mistake. Check it out at BUBBATrading.com, Technimental, and of course our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, as I tell you every day in the summer right now, be careful. These markets whip around because one order shows up and it moves them fast enough to hurt you one way or the other. It's always better to be more conservative in these conditions. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here from Missouri tomorrow with another Bubba's Day update. Take care, everybody.